You got it figured out? Okay, Hunter's first impact job.
Wait, how do you put it on?
How do you put it on there?
Yeah.
You got two ends. This end
Yeah, I know.
and that end. Okay. Now. Oh, that's a hubcap.
Okay.
Take the hubcap off with your hand. Whoa. Take the hubcap off. Here. Use a screwdriver. Take the hubcap off right here.
Oh, okay.
Now you put your socket on there. Pull the trigger.
Are you doing it?
It's off. There you go. Hit it. Work. All right, take it off. There you go. Into the socket.
Oh, because it's rusty. Okay. I guess
All right, next one. Go ahead and get them all loosened up like that. And finish with. There you go. Now you're getting good. They might hire you a Daytona 500 now. Do it.
Why'd I do that?
Practice. All right, now see if it'll pull off of this. Don't break your hubcap. That tire's kind of turning. There you go. Roll over there. All right, what you know what that's called, right? Wheel and tire.
Yeah. Wait, do what?
That's a wheel and tire, right? You know what that is. This is your front brake, hub and rotor. Caliper. Your disc pads are in there. Feel that lip on here.
Yeah, it's not rusty probably.
No, it's wore out.
They're normally smooth, right?
You're right, but not smooth. Feel the lip at the end. Look how far it's wore. Hey! All right, that's your video how to pull a front brake.
Do what?
You did good.